Ready, camera 2, and action.
Thank you. Kia ora and welcome to the Big Little GetWise Show. I'm the host. This is Now.
Hello.
And I'm Tiara.
And she's in charge of us, or at least she thinks she is, and that's her job.
Stop showing off.
It's my thing, all right? I'm naturally bubbly, like a tea, it's my job. And that's a good way to kick off what we're actually talking about today. Earning money. You see, I make money hosting this show, you know? I'm a true pro.
Yes, you are, darling. You do a fabulous job.
Why, thank you. Tiara, and how do you make money?
Me? Oh, does shopping count as a job? I'm really good at it, but I don't think it pays me though. In fact, I think I have to pay to do it. Oh.
Interesting. And now, what about you?
Oh, well, actually, I have 2 jobs.
2?
2?
Not 1, but 2.
2?
Yes, 2. Well, I work here, and then I help out at my local kura, reading to the kids who need some extra help.
How much do you get for that then?
Oh, I don't earn anything for it. It's voluntary work that I do to help my community. Well, I actually do a lot for the community. It pays me in a different way.
Very interesting.
Bit weird though.
Well, it seems like there's a few things you can do to make money or not make money, you know? Or you can do things will actually cost you money. But let's ask ATM how the tamariki of New Zealand make money.
Hi there, GetWise HQ. So, how do you make money? Let's go. How do you make money?
I usually make money by delivering circulars and newspapers.
I make money by doing chores like washing the dishes.
How do you make money?
By mowing the lawn. By doing gardening work.
I make money by buying something for a low price and then designing it and selling it for a higher price.
I make money by getting good grades at school.
Well, I think I've learnt some new ways to make some money there. See ya!
Yeah, me too, man. Wow.
What does Yellow think? How does he make money?
What? Oh, Yellow! Oh, yeah! Hello, Yellow!
Hello there.
What are you doing?
Well, I've just had to wash all the dishes, and I thought I was going to get paid, but my auntie said it's just one of the jobs I have to do in the family.
Oh, that's funny, as we wanted to talk about earning money.
Please tell me how. Oh, Captain Cashtastic, can you help me?
Yes, Korwhai, let's get to work. Right. Sometimes you just have to do things, little jobs that are part of being a family. Everyone has to help out around the house, and that doesn't mean you'll always get paid in money. But if you do the dishes extra fast, then you'll have time to do extra jobs. Let's see. I can see through walls, you know. Do you mind? Ooh. Is that your filthy Honda out there?
Probably auntie's.
Oh, sorry. Oh, actually, there are a few cars that could all do with a clean.
Cleaning cars?
Ooh. Mowing. The backyard needs mowing. Oh, so does the neighbours. And his neighbours. Oh, that's a heck of a mess.
Mowing lawns. How tidy up.
Yours?
No.
You sure?
Well, it was mine.
Oh, a little bit over this, huh?
Oh, I could sell some old toys.
All ideas, Korwhai. Chat to your whānau and try any friendly neighbours about what else you could do around here for pocket pūtea.
Oh. Okay, Cashtastic, I will.
Oh, just think about what you're good at, Korwhai, and put your skills to work to make some money. Bye!
Oh, thanks, Captain Cashtastic.
So we all need to start thinking about what we're good at and how it can help us earn money.
Oh, you just missed Captain Cashtastic helping Yellow. She did a fantastic job of the dishes.
I think what she was saying was a little more important than the dishes. What are you good at? And can you earn some pocket money? Now, where have you been?
Oh, I just had my hair done.
You got a little thingy.
There? Oh! it's just a mouse. I mean moose.
Looks very nice.